Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. What we're doing today is inspired by the video that was posted by Melissa Naideline yesterday, and yesterday's video was about her new Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow quad, rose something or t'other. I'll put it down there. It's one that she had been coveting for a while, and it's the same video where she unboxes her new Chanel highlighter, drool, and her new Dolce & Gabbana highlighter, double drool. So that's what we're doing today, Charlotte Tilbury. Let's get started. Now before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. I keep forgetting to say that. I'm so excited to get into the video that I'm always forgetting. Okay, I have as much Charlotte Tilbury on my face as I can get. I've got my Flawless filter, Hollywood Flawless filter. I don't have any Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Maybe I should try that foundation, might be good. I'm in the hunt for two perfect foundations. I do have one, and that's my Chanel, so maybe one or two more. That is it. Because at this point, I'm not a big fan of reviewing foundations, because I'm just not. Blush, bronzer, highlighter, even not even bronzer, because bronzers are bronzers, but blush, highlighter, and definitely eye products. That is what I want to concentrate on, just like Annette's Makeup Corner. And it's because of her that I realized I can just do that, because she's got a couple of foundations that she uses. I know one of them is the Valentino foundation. She absolutely loves that one, and the Lancome. And that's my goal. And this is what I'm wearing on my cheeks today. And you know who you are. And yes, I've got powder on. I could have put, I didn't think to put my Charlotte Tilbury powder on. This is my Project Pan, and I didn't. Okay, let's get into my, I have one more, but technically it's not Charlotte Tilbury. It's a fake. But I did not bring it here because it's a fake. So the first one I have is the Rebel. I was trying not to because my hair is still wet, and I was hoping to keep my hair back. Look at that. We will do swatches. We will do swatches. Okay, the next one is the Dolce Vita. Look how beautiful that is. I did love the one that was reviewed yesterday by Melissa. It is beautiful. I wouldn't mind having that one, and I'd be thrilled. And then this one is Pillow Talk. This one is my very first, when I started my channel, my very first Charlotte Tilbury anything. It's absolutely gorgeous. So let's see if I can even still swatch it. The problem I have with the topper is it had hard pan from the first use. I will not be using this one because it's mostly pink, and as you can tell, I'm wearing buffalo check as an ode to my heritage of lumberjacks. My grandfather was a lumberjack, his father was a lumberjack, his father was a lumberjack. Yeah, it went down that way. Okay, so let's try the Dolce Vita. There we go. It's been a long time since I've used Charlotte Tilbury quad, and that's my bad. That's beautiful. I just find it weird that the shimmer is lighter than the topper. There we go. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to try and do it here. So now we've got the Rebel. The Rebel is satins. I think they're all satins. Changed it yesterday. Okay, it's gonna be a Dolce Vita day because the Rebel is a little too green and I don't want to be a Christmas doll today. So let us see what I can do with this to start with. I think I'm going to do exactly what Melissa did with the first shade and put it, this one, and put it all over my lid and crease. Sorry. This, I'm done. So this is the one I just finished using. Now I'm going into this one. And now I will go into the light shimmer. I have to be careful because I cleaned up the edges while switching them. But this is very much a fall look. Very, very fall. This looks like the color of the red maple leaves when they fall from the trees. The funny thing is, for today, even though it's still fall, we were supposed to get a snowstorm of 10 to 15 centimeters. We barely got 2. Come on. read your information better. Your computers, I can't even think of the word. Okay, let's try radars. This topper only in the middle. Okay, and now I need to go into my palette, as I try not to blind everybody, and take the highlighter for a itty bitty bit of inner corner, a teeny tiny bit of fairy dust. The fairies are too cold to come to me very well. I didn't think it was going to be this dark. Not quite done. I have my eyeliner in whatever color it is. Okay, I gotta stop. My eyes are starting to water. Okay, so next, other than spazzing out, I'll be back. Okay, so other than the powder, which I could have used a Charlotte Tilbury powder, I've got Stila mascara. I used my Sinkcro skin with a dabble do ya of the Mizon, just to get it a smidge darker because this is a smidge light. And I hope it looks okay. When I checked in the big mirror without blinding lights in front of me, it seemed okay. Because yesterday I got fed up and went through, it's another video. Probably before this one. Okay, so my Pillow Talk lip liner, which I had to sharpen again. You probably don't see it on my lips because it's the exact same color. I couldn't see it putting it on, but it's this color right there. I will be putting Pillow Talk on my lips and Pillow Talk on my lips. Honestly, they're all Pillow Talk. So the first one is a matte, itty bitty, which is perfect for me. If I had only minis, nothing would go to waste. Okay, there's that. And look at this one. This has been in my project pan since the very beginning as well, but this is as high as it goes. I might have to start scraping out. Better than a lip gloss. So there we are. My face inspired, well, I should say my eyes inspired by Melissa Naideline getting her very wanted palette that had been discontinued and was revamped. Not revamped, sorry, reissued. Thank you once again, Melissa. Man, that lady gives me a lot of inspiration. Go see her, she's brilliant. So, thank you everybody once again for coming to visit with me. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.